Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing RAW images so you keep maximum detail. Do that now and enable lens profile corrections. Next, set white balance with the eyedropper or temp/tint sliders so colors read correctly. Once balanced, raise exposure gradually to avoid clipping, then pull highlights down to recover bright detail and lift shadows to reveal midtones. Make small moves. The goal is natural brightness and retain detail. This sequence sets a stable base for deeper corrections. Once base exposure is set, shape contrast with the tone curve. Use an S-curve for punchy midtones or subtle lifts to avoid harshness. Then apply local tools, a graduated filter for brightening skies, and the adjustment brush to selectively open shadowed faces. Be cautious with dehaze and clarity. Small amounts add texture but can darken. Also use masking with range sliders to protect highlights. These local moves let you brighten dark areas without blowing out the rest. Finish by refining color in HSL. Boost oranges and reds for natural skin tones, and desaturate problem blues if they become noisy. Apply sharpening based on output size, more for small web images, less for prints, and add noise reduction when you've brightened shadows heavily, because lifting dark areas reveals noise. Finally, export with the right color space and make sure your monitor is calibrated. If the image still looks too dark, check clipping in the histogram and undo any aggressive dehaze or contrast. That usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.